चलो स्टार्ट कर रहे हो. So welcome everyone. Welcome to Sadaiva classes. You are in standard 8 and we have started your general science of standard 8. Okay, general science चालू केलं standard 8 चं. Now we have completed 4 lessons and today we are going to complete your 5th lesson. Right? चलो. So we'll go to the lesson. आज complete होऊन जाईल तुमचा. Don't worry. Just a minute. आपलं पेज येऊ द्या. बाकीची मुलं येतील त्यांना जॉईन करून घेऊ आपण. करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पण झाला आपला. And inside the atom आपण शिकतोय. So where we are, बोर झालं, इलेक्ट्रॉन झालं. Yes, just a minute. So where we are, आपण इथून स्टार्ट करणार होतो. Electronic configuration and of elements. Electronic configuration of elements. We are going to start. And okay, distribution of electron पण राहिलं आपलं. Distribution of electrons. ठीक आहे, चलो. Now, some questions are there. See, सगळ्यांचं लक्ष पाहिजे स्क्रीनवर. Everybody, please. Some questions are there. Here. Question number 1 is, see, me question का घेतो because they will help you to understand the concept very well. The symbol used for oxygen is O. There are 8 protons. How many protons are there? 8 protons and 8 neutrons. Need लक्ष द्या, 8 protons and 8 neutrons. Then atomic number will be, atomic number is equal to, लक्ष द्या, Z is your atomic number. So atomic number is equal to 8. लक्ष द्या, atomic number will be equal to 8 because number of protons. And atomic mass number A is equal to 8 plus 8. किती? 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 कितना हो गया? 16. So atomic number is equal to 16. Atomic mass number is equal to 16. So काय दिलं तुम्हाला? Arrange this conventional symbol. So कसं करणार? So oxygen ऐसे लिखो. Then here write the 16 and 8 will be here. 8 bottom ला लिहायचं at the base. ठीक है. So this is the answer question number 1. Atomic number is equal to number of protons. लक्षात घ्या. Atomic number is equal to number of protons or number of electrons. Getting? So Z is equal to 8. A is equal to neutron plus proton. A is equal to neutron plus proton. So question number 1 you got. Second, atomic number of carbon is 6. How many electrons are in the carbon atom? Yes, there are 6 electrons. How many electrons are there? There are 6 electrons. Getting? Because number of atomic number is equal to number of electrons as well as number of protons. They are same. Then question number 3. A sodium atom has 11 electrons. कितने electron आहेत? 11 electrons. What is the atomic number? Atomic number is equal to 11. Atomic number is equal to 11. Getting? Then question number 4. The atomic number of mass. Question number 4. The atomic number and mass number of magnesium 12 and 24. Okay. So how will you show the convention? Convention कसं लिहिणार तुम्ही? Mg. Magnesium Mg. 24 इथे लिहायचे. Here you write 24 and you write 12 here. So this is the convention. Getting? चलो. Next. हे तुम्हाला ऑलरेडी झालेलं, मी काल परत सांगितलं तुम्हाला ते. The repetition आहे सगळं तुमचं. Question number 5. Yes, the atomic number and mass number of calcium 20 and 40. 20 and 40. Deduce the number of neutrons. So number of neutrons is equal to 40 minus 20. Okay, number of neutrons is equal to 40 minus 20. Subtraction करा. Your answer is 20. Number of neutrons किती असणार? There are number of 20 neutrons in the calcium. There are 20 neutrons in the calcium. Getting? समजते सगळ्यांना? Good. चलो. Now, how the distribution of electrons? So I told you that the electrons are distributed in the orbits in particular manner. See, this is they are distributed in the orbits. They revolve around the center. They revolve around the nucleus in particular orbit. So orbits are K, L, M, N. They are also known as shell. K shell, L shell, M and N shell. So how the number is decided? बघा, number कसा decide होतो? The distribution of electrons. How the number? म्हणजे आपल्याला you should know ना की K मध्ये किती electrons असणार? How many electrons in L? How many in M? How many in N? Like that. So as per Bohr's atomic model, electrons revolve in stable shell. Okay, the electron revolves in stable shell. These shells have a definite energy. Lakshat gya, they have a definite energy. The shell nearest to the nucleus is called first shell. First shell is K. Then the next shell is the second shell. The symbol N is used for the orbit of the number of shell. For the ordinal number of the shell. The shells are referred to as KLMN. Okay, they are referred to as KLMN. Ordinal number 1, 2, 3, 4. And what is the formula? See, it is Lakshya. You can see here. The maximum number of electrons in a shell can contain is obtained by the formula 2n square. What is the formula? 2n square. Okay, this is the formula. N is what? N is the number of uh, orbit or the shell. Okay, now चलो complete करो अपन है. We can complete this screen में लक्ष्य है. So what is the formula? This is the formula 2n. Okay, this is the formula 2n square. So first number 1, here it is 2, here it is 3, and here it is 4. Getting? So 2 1 square. So number of electrons 2. Here 2 into 2 into 2 into square of 2. 2 into square of 2. किती आले सांगा मला. चलो फटाफट करा. 2 into square of 2. उत्तर पाठवायचं पटकन. L लिहायचं. लिहा L आणि मग उत्तर पाठवा. Okay, write L and send the answer. 2 into 2 raised to 2 into 2 square. Yes, शिवम बोलो. बोलिए शिवम. शिवम बोलिए बेटा, क्या हुआ?
8 sir.
Your answer is 8.
8.
Yes, your answer is 8 here. Your answer is 8 here. Very good. So your answer is 8. Good. चलो ये बन कर आप आगे का भी करो. चलो फास्ट. सॉरी, आगे का भी करो. 2 into 3 square. Do it. 2 into 3 square. 2 into 3 square. And 2 into 4 square. करा ना. Send me the answer. 2 into 4 square. 2 into 2 square and 2 into 4 square. चला फटाफट सांग आंसर. Just a minute.
Sir पाठवलं.
Okay, checking right. So 2 9 to the 18 and 32. 18 and 32. Your answer should be 18 and 32. Right? Very good. 18 and 32. Very good. Chalo. So your answer is here 18 and 32. तुम्हाला complete करायचं का? You have to complete this. So your answer is here 9 to the 18. And here the answer will be for 16 to the 32. Getting? So these are the maximum number of electrons. Lakshat, these are the maximum number of electrons in the shell. So you can see that K में maximum number of electrons are 2. In the L, maximum kitty asna, there are maximum 8 electrons in the shell. In M, there are 18 electrons, maximum 18 electrons, and finally N has 32 electrons, maximum 32 electrons in the N shell. Getting? समझता था? Getting सगळ्यांना समजलं? हा तक तुम्हाला पूर्ण करायचा. You have to do this. Now, चलो. Next. What is electronic configuration? What is electronic configuration? We are going to see. And I hope तुम्हारा lesson आज possibly खत्म होना चाहिए. Let's see how long we can continue. नहीं तो next time ले लेंगे. चलो. So what is electronic configuration? See. See, we have seen that 2, 8, 18 and 32 electrons can be accommodated in the shells K, L, M and respectively, right? ये हमने अभी देखा that K, L, M and can accommodate 2, 8, 30, 18 and 32 electrons respectively. So this is the maximum capacity. Maximum capacity, लक्षात घ्या. Maximum capacity. Minimum is 0. 0 नहीं. Decided. The electrons in an atom are distributed in the shells according to their maximum capacity. The shell-wise distribution of this electron in an atom of an element is called electronic configuration. It is known as electronic configuration. That this is the definition of electronic configuration. Getting? This is the definition of electronic configuration. Right? Chalo. So Each electron has a definite energy as per shell in which it is present. Energy of an electron is in the first shell K is lowest. Energy of the electron in subsequent shells goes on increasing with the ordinal number of the shell. Increasing होत जाते what increases energy. Okay, energy increases. Then the electronic configuration of element is such that the element energy of the all elements together is maximum possible. Electrons get a place in the shell in accordance with the maximum capacity of the electron shell in an atom and increasing order of energy. कसं होतं बघा? Let us see how the electrons are arranged and what is the configuration and what is the configuration. ठीक आहे, very important concept आहे. You have to remember it till your standard 10. तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवायचंच आहे हा. सगळे काय जेवण करून आले काय आता परत सगळे? चलो. Now see, कोण रे आता आले का? चला ना बाळांनो, या कल्पेश. चलो. See, तुम्हाला काय दिलं फर्स्ट बघा, व्हॉट इज गिवन टू यू, ॲटम इज हायड्रोजन. कल्पेश आलेला आवाज बंद ठेवायचा आहे. पायल, कल्पेश. सिम्बल इज एच. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स 1. तर कोणत्या शेल मध्ये जाणार? दे विल बी ओनली इन द 1 शेल. सो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन इज 1. त्याच्यानंतर काय आता हिलियम. हिलियम हाऊ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स? देर आर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो फर्स्ट शेल मध्ये जाणार बिकॉज फर्स्ट शेलची कॅपॅसिटी 2 आहे. सो युअर कॉन्फिगरेशन इज 2. गेटिंग? देन लिथियम 3. लिथियम 3. सो 2 इथे गेले, 1 रिमेन्स. 1 कुठे गेला? एल मध्ये. सो युअर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन इज 2, 1. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन 2, 1. चलो कार्बन. कार्बन किती आहे? 6 आहे. सो हियर इट विल बी 2. बरोबर, इथे 2 आणि उरतात किती? 4. सो 4 विल बी हियर. सो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन इज 2, 4. 2, 4. Electronic configuration is 2, 4. Electronic configuration is 2, 4. Getting? Then nitrogen 7. So here it will be 2. इधर 2 रहना, maximum 2. इसके आगे 2 से आगे जाएगा नहीं यहाँ पे, because maximum capacity is 2 here. So how many remains here? 5 remains. How many remains? 5. So electronic configuration is 2, 5. समजता सगळ्यांना? कोण डाऊट आहे का इथपर्यंत? Anybody? Any doubt? You have to fill the electrons. For electron जायचे. You have to fill the electrons. आपको इलेक्ट्रॉन भरते भरते जाने का है. So first shell में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, तो उसके आगे नहीं जाएंगे. तो the remaining electrons go in the second orbit or second shell. That is L. Okay. उसमें भी कितना capacity उसका? It has capacity of 8 electrons. Now see oxygen. Oxygen is 8. So here 2 electrons here and 6 electrons here. So your electronic configuration is 2, 6. Electronic configuration is 2, 6. Electronic configuration is 2, 6. Then fluorine. Fluorine is 9. See, fluorine is 9. Similarly, your configuration is 2 and 9 ना. So यहाँ पे कितना होगा? 7. So it is 2, 7. 2, 7. Then neon. Neon पण तेच करायचं. Same you have to do. Here इथे 2च्या पुढे जाणारच नाहीये. So what remains किती राहतात? 8. So electronic configuration is 2, 8. Electronic configuration is 2, 8. Getting? Electronic configuration is 2, 8. Just a minute, guys. Now, see, if you see here, the orbit full झाली. If you see L is what? If you see L is what? बघा, L किती आहे? L maximum capacity is 8. L ची maximum capacity किती आहे? It is, just a minute. See, maximum capacity 8. Fulfill झाली ते बघा. It is completed. Now, आता जर next electron असेल, they will go to the next orbit. They will go to the M orbit. ते कुठे जाणार तुमचे? M orbit मध्ये जाणार. They will go to the next orbit, that is M. Okay, चलो. So we'll start from the sodium. Sodium is 11. So 2 here. 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. और 1 electron जो बचेगा ना, that will go in the M orbit. That will go in the M orbit. Getting? So it is 2, 8, 1. 2, 8, 1. This is the electron configuration of sodium. समजलं सगळ्यांना? Then next बघा. Next, see the next thing here, chlorine. This chlorine 17. So here it will be 2 electrons. then you have 8 electrons, 2 plus 8, 10, and what remains? 7 electrons remains. किती उरतात? 7 electrons. So the electronic configuration is 287. Electronic configuration is 2, 8, 7. Electron 2, 8, 7. Finally you have argon. Finally you have argon. See, finally you have argon here. Argon is 2, 18. That means 2, 8, 8. 2, 8, 8. So that is 2, 8, 8. 2, 8, 8 is the electronic configuration of argon. समझता है? एक सेकंड ना, मैं तुमको भेज देता हूँ ये. That will help you to write answers. Just a minute. ऋषिकेश सांगतो चालू होत नाही. कसं चालू होत नाहीये? सी मैंने आपको ये भेज दिया है, सो दैट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. एक मिनट.
सर एक राहिलं.
कुठलं? ब्रोमीन ना, देतो ना, ब्रोमीन तो देतो तुम्हाला. ओके चलो, लेट्स सी ब्रोमीन. सो कैन यू डू द ब्रोमीन? सी हियर इट विल बी 2. एक मिनट, कलर चेंज कर दो. सो ब्रोमीन हियर विल बी 2 प्लस 8 प्लस किती झाले सांगा मला. 2 प्लस 8 10 झाले. देन हियर कितना होगा यहाँ पे? 18. बरोबर ना? सो हियर इट विल बी 18. 2 प्लस 8 कितना आ गया? 2 प्लस 8 10. 10 प्लस 18 10 प्लस 18 कितना झाले? 28. यहाँ पे कितना बचेगा फिर? 7. सो दिस इज द इलेक्ट्रॉन ब्रोमीन. 2, 8, 18, 7. बरोबर आहे का? करा, काउंट करा बघा, येतं का बरोबर? 35 येतं का?
यस सर.
व्हेरी गुड. चलो. yes, where we are? Here we are. चलो. Getting electronic configuration very important part आहे, हे तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवलंच पाहिजे. You have to remember this electronic configuration. Now, चलो. So valency. What is the valency? What is the valency? याला मराठीमध्ये संयोजन म्हणतात. What is valency? So valency and electronic configuration. We have seen in the last chapter that valency means the number of chemical bonds formed by an atom. लक्षात द्या. What is my valency? Number of, आवाज बंद ठेवायचा मनेश. We also saw the generally that the valency of element remains constant in compound. लक्षात द्या. Valency remains constant in compound. So what is the valency? आवाज बंद ठेवायचा. What is valency? See here. Now I'll show you with the example what is valency. See the concept जे तुम्हाला शिकवतो ना, लास्ट मगासपासून तुम्हाला शिकवायला घेतलं मी. ऍक्च्युली सगळंच इम्पॉर्टंट आहे, बट दिस चॅप्टर इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट बिकॉज 10th ला याच्यावर खूप क्वेश्चन्स येतात. ओके, स्टँडर्ड 10. Now skeleton of electronic configuration. This is the skeleton of electronic configuration. See. Now hydrogen only 1 electron. Helium there are 2 electrons. कार्बन देर आर किती इलेक्ट्रॉन्स? कार्बन मध्ये देर आर 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट मध्ये किती असणार? 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. अँड द रिमेनिंग ऑर्बिट मध्ये 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. बघा 1 2 3 अँड 4. द निऑन 10 आहे ना. सो फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आणि सेकंड ऑर्बिट मध्ये देर आर 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सोडियम वी हैव सीन 2, 8, 1. 2, 8, 1. सी फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट मध्ये देर आर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सेकंड ऑर्बिट मध्ये यू कैन सी देर आर 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. अँड फायनली 1 electron in the L. So K L M M मध्ये. Getting? समझा? चलो. Now use the following molecular formulae to determine the valencies of hydrogen, chlorine, oxygen, sulfur, sodium. Here sulfur, sodium, bromine and iodine. Okay, molecular formula H2, HCl, H2O, NaH. Now you have to find the valency. So what is valency? I'll tell you what is valency. पुढे बघा दाखवतो. Then I'll come to this point. So what is valency? Here, just a minute. Some questions are given. चला questions पाहूया. What are the symbols used for the shells which accommodate the electrons in various atoms? Okay, what are the symbols for the shells which accommodate the electrons in the various atoms? What are the symbols and ordinal numbers of the innermost shell. See, what are the symbols used for shells which accommodate the electrons in the various atoms? So they are K, L, M, N, right? K, L, M, and N. These are the symbols. Now, what is the symbol and ordinal number for the innermost shell? That is K. K and the number is 1. K and the number is 1. Third question, write the symbol of electron distribution in the shell of fluorine. Fluorine किती होता? 9 ना? So that is 2 and 7, 2 comma 7. Which is the outermost shell in the fluorine atom? K and L. So L is the outermost shell, fluorine. Which is the outermost shell of sodium atom? Sodium तर आपण बघितलं. So sodium is 2, 8, 1. 2, 8, 1. आवाज बंद ठेवायचा, कोणाचा आवाज चालू आहे. So 2 कुठे असतो? K shell मध्ये. 8 is in L shell, KL, and 1 remains in M shell. आवाज कोणाचा चालू आहे? प्लीज बंद करायचा आवाज. मनेश आवाज बंद कर. मनेश तुझा आवाज चालू आहे. मनेश आवाज म्यूट करायचा. M. So your answer of question number 5 is M. Your answer of question number 5 is M. Then question number 6. Which is the outermost shell of the hydrogen atom? Outermost shell is first. That is K only. Okay, that is K only. Getting? See, हे तुम्हाला समजणं का गरजेचं आहे? Because you are able to uh, you are able to just a minute. एक सेकंड कुठे गेलो आपण? हा, we are here. You are able to understand the concept of valency. You are able to understand the concept of valency from here. Getting? Chalo. See, question and answers are very important now, because you solve the question and answers, you get to know the answer very well. The concepts regarding valency. आवाज कोणाचा चालू आहे रे? प्लीज आवाज बंद करा. आवाज कोणाचा चालू आहे? आवाज म्यूट करा सगळे. कोणाचा आवाज चालू आहे? मनेश, मनेश आवाज म्यूट कर. Manesh, mute your sound. Manesh, mute your sound. थांबीच माझ्याकडून तुमच्या सगळ्यांचे आवाज बंद करून टाकतो. चलो. See, the concepts regarding valency of an element chemical bond in compound get clarified from the electronic configuration. Getting? So the atom forms chemical bonds by using electron of its outermost shell. लक्षात घ्या. Atom forms chemical bonds by using electrons in the outermost shell. Outermost shell मध्ये जे electrons they are free generally. Okay, ते free असतात, वो free होते. Therefore, they are used to form chemical bonding. They are used to form chemical bonding. Getting? So, valency of an atom is determined by the configuration of its outermost shell. Therefore, the outermost shell is called as valence shell. Also, the electron is called as valence electron. The electrons in the outermost shell are called as valence electron. Now, it can be seen that the valency of an atom related to the number of valence electron in an atom. Let us first look at the element helium and neon. Atoms of both these gaseous elements do not combine with any other atoms. These elements are chemically inert. It means that the valency is zero. लक्षात घ्या. कोणाचं? helium and neon. Helium and neon, they do not combine with anything, because helium, if you see helium, its valence, its shell बघितलं असेल, the shell is 2. K shell पूर्ण pack झालेली आहे. Okay, the K shell is already packed. So maximum 2 electrons packed है. But they do not share electron share करतात का? नाही. The even similar way is neon also. They do not share electrons. Therefore, their valence is 0. The valence is 0. Getting? Now, just a minute. आधी समजून घ्या, then you can ask questions. Helium and neon, sorry, helium atom contains 2 electrons. मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं. Which are accommodated in the first shell. आवाज कोणा चालू आहे रे? Please बंद करा आवाज. First shell, that is K. Getting? They are in the K. Helium has only one K shell that contains electrons, and the same is also the outermost shell. The electrons in the capacity 2n square of K shell is 0. This is indicates that the outermost shell of helium is completely filled. मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं मगाशी. It is completely filled. I told you that the outermost shell of the helium is completely filled. पूर्णपणे भरलेली आहे ती. Getting? Therefore, त्याला electron देता येत नाही, घेता येत नाही. Okay, it cannot share electrons. Sorry, it cannot share, it cannot donate, it cannot accept electrons. Now, it is said that helium has an electron duplet. The electronic configuration of the inert gas neon contains two shells. आता if you see the neon मागे दाखवतो मग K and L shell. L ची valency, so L is the valence shell of the neon and the electron capacity of L shell is 8. आणि त्याचे L चं किती आहे 2 plus 8 आहे 2 plus 8 10 झाले. So neon is already packed. Neonचा सुद्धा जे L shell that is also packed. The valency of the neon is completely filled. Valence shell. It is said that neon has an electron octet. Okay, octet means 8 electrons in the L orbit. 8 electrons in the L orbit. Now, argon is an inert gas having electronic shell KLN. Argon the bagitla, they are KLM. Now here the M is also filled because 288, 288, 18. ठीक है? चलो. बाकी एवढं जाईल. Now, the electronic configuration of the electronic configuration of elements other than inert gases show that they do not have electron octet or the octet के spelling चुकली और octet or electron are incomplete. Regarding hydrogen, it can be said that electron duplet is incomplete. They are incomplete here. Now, what happens? See, atoms of the electrons. See, atoms of the electron except inert gases have tendency. Yes, important. देखो. See, what I told you here. See, एक minute. This is nucleus of the. This is the center nucleus of the atom, and electrons are moving. Electrons are moving in the outermost shell. Okay, electrons असे फिरत असतात. Now the maximum capacity of this K is 2. आता इथे 2 भरले की संपलं. There is nothing. No more यहाँ पे add नहीं हो सकता. Then here maximum capacity is 8 and finally here it is 18. So आता 8 and 18 maximum है. If there are low electrons, कम electron असतील then there is a valency. त्याची valency because they can donate electrons, they can accept electrons or they can share electrons. ठीक आहे ते इलेक्ट्रॉन देऊ शकतात, ते इलेक्ट्रॉन घेऊ शकतात or they can share electron. ते एकमेकांचे इलेक्ट्रॉन वाटून घेऊ शकतात. Okay, so there is a tendency. काय tendency बघा? Atom of all elements except inert gases have tendency to combine with other atoms, meaning that they have a non-zero valency. उनकी valency zero नहीं होती है. You have seen the formula of the molecule formed by combination of hydrogen H2 HCl, that the valency of hydrogen is 1. Valency of hydrogen किती असते 1 because hydrogen can get one more electron. ठीक है? Hydrogen can get one more electron. Now, the electronic configuration of hydrogen shows that there is one electron less than to complete the duplet. Okay, उसको duplet complete करना है त्याला 2 पूर्ण करायचे पण एक हायड्रोजन कमी पडतो, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन कमी पडतो. So what happens? See, so what happens here? I'll show you. This hydrogen and this hydrogen, they combine. Okay, they combine and they form H2. They form H2. Getting? Because याचा एक इलेक्ट्रॉन है, इसका एक इलेक्ट्रॉन, इसका इलेक्ट्रॉन. So though it forms a duplet. It forms a duplet. H नहीं बोलता अपन, we say H2 gas. बघा तुम्ही gas, H2 gas. H2 is a gas. Hydrogen gas. Similar way, if we say the chlorine. Similar way, if you see the chlorine, this is hydrogen and this is chlorine. So here there are two. Sorry, just a minute. Here there is one electron, and here if you see chlorine, there are 2 plus 8 plus 7. This is the configuration. Okay, and so when they combine together, they form HCl. They combine together, they form HCl. They form HCl because this one electron is shared among this. हा share हो जातो. Getting? This one electron is shared among this. Therefore, valency of hydrogen is 1 as well as chlorine ची valence सुद्धा 1 है. Valence of chlorine is also 1. Getting, guys? Just a minute. I'm changing the place. होते का? ठीक है. Okay, guys, चलो, let's continue. Now, थोडं समजायला वेळ लागेल, but don't worry. If you read this now once again, you'll to complete to know. पुन्हा आहे तुम्हाला पुढे बघा. This one number, this number 1 matches with the valency of hydrogen, which is 1. Getting? अभी सबका valency 1 होता है क्या? नहीं. I'll show you in the chart. Directly chart दाखव तुम्हाला. You'll come to know how it is. See. Here, काय दिलं तुम्हाला बघा, स्क्रीनवर लक्ष द्यायचं आहे, आवाज बंद ठेवायचा आहे. This is HCl. काय तुम्हाला HCl? HCl. Okay, valency of element 1, electronic configuration 1, number of electrons 1. Now Cl. Now Cl किती बघायचे तुम्हाला? HCl again 1, chlorine is 287. मग तुम्हाला सांगितलं chlorine is 287. So chlorine ची valency सुद्धा किती आली? 1. chlorine ची valency सुद्धा किती आली? 1. The valence of chlorine is also 1 because 8 minus 4, 8 minus x. Now see valency, you should know the valency is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 के अंदर 5 is not the valency, लक्ष्य रखना। 4 के बाद फिर से उल्टा हो जाता है, फिर उसके बाद 3 आता है, फिर 2 आता है, फिर 1 आता है, and then 0. Getting? So how this valency? Valency 4 च्या पुढे जात नाही, valency तुमचे संयोजन 4 च्या पुढे जात नाही. It doesn't go beyond 4. It doesn't go beyond 4. Getting? Now any no compound here, it is 2, 8, neon is 2, 8, right? So it is number of valence electrons 0, valency is 0, valency is 0. Then HF, HF here, if fluorine in here, fluorine is number of valence electrons 7, number of valence electrons 7. Fluorine is 2, 7, na? Yes. Therefore, electron configuration is 2, 7, 2, 7. Number of valence electrons, sorry, valency of the element. Take minute. Valence of the element is 1 here. Here it is 1, not 7, it is 1 here. Number of valence electrons 7, and finally here 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 किती येणार? 1. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. 7 येत नाही, लक्षात ठेवा. 7 is not the valency. 7 is not the valency. Similarly, sodium. Sodium in NaH. Valency is 1. Electron configuration is 2, 8, 1. थोडं जड जाते समजायला माहिती मला, but don't worry. 2, 8, 1. Number of valence electron 1, and here it is 1. Getting? जर 4च्या पुढे गेलं, then you have to use this 8 minus x. Getting? समजा magnesium also, magnesium is 2. Here it is 282, 2, 8, 2. Magnesium किती माहिती तुम्हाला? It is 12. Therefore valence is 2 here, and here also 2. Carbon, CH4, carbon. So if you see the carbon किती आहे? 6 है ना? आवाज बोल रहे बा. Carbon is 6. 6 है ना carbon? एक second. Carbon is what? Carbon बघितलं आपण. Yes, carbon is 6, right? Carbon is 6 here. So where is carbon? Huh. So carbon is 6, na? Chalo. So carbon 6, therefore valency 6 means 2. 2 is the valency. Nice. 4 is the valency. Carbon की valency है 4 because 2, 4. There are 4 electrons here, and there are also 4 electrons here. Then AlCl3. AlCl3 valence electron of aluminium. Aluminium is 3. Valence is 3. Aluminium is 2, 8, 1. Aluminium is 13, 2, 8, 3. So number of electrons 3 here, and here also 3. थोडं कन्फ्युज होतं, डोंट वरी. मी परत रिपीट घेईल तुम्हाला, तेव्हा परत सांगणार, कारण आज लेसन माझ्या मते होणार नाही पूर्ण. लेट्स सी हाउ कैन वी कंप्लीट. कितना होता है देखेंगे अभी. जस्ट अ मिनट. चलो. एक सेकंड. आई थिंक लेसन तो आज नहीं होगा पूरा, बिकॉज बहुत सारा बड़ा भी उसमें है. चलो.